Welcome and thank you for taking this first step toward building your very own aquaponics system at home. Aquaponics is the marriage of hydroponics and aquaculture, and it really brings out the best in both. It's very sustainable, it is synergistic, and it's also very affordable. You'll find you can use components from around the house to build a system that suits your needs. What we will present you with is a step-by-step guide toward putting the very most basic form together. Okay, this is it. Keep in mind that this aquaponic system is highly customizable, so long as you do follow all the key principles outlined in the manual, specifically with regard to the number of fish you'll be keeping and the biomass you maintain in your grow beds. And you will be fine. You'll have a great experience with your first aquaponic system. So long.